thing out for us. Close it out, brother.
God is neither male or female. God is both. In all of the universe, there's negative and positive charge.
So you saying that God is a morphodite?
Exactly.
Hermaphrodite?
God is complete balance between
Okay.
masculine and
Spirit, like spirit, right?
complete balance.
Go ahead, brother.
Complete balance. You will not let me finish.
Go ahead and finish, brother. Go ahead. You got the floor.
God has no gender. God transcends gender. You are your mother and your father. When I told you to honor your mother and your father, that meant honor your mother and honor your father. What that means is that you should allow the divine feminine to move freely. Her energy should be able to move freely. So honor my mother.
You're funny, Small.
Is this a
Yo,
dance
come
hall?
on, man. Stop, man. Yo, I don't want to laugh, man. Stop this, man.
This nigga crazy.
Come on, man.
I'm saying that when I told you to honor your mother and father, I meant that men must become feminine within their own self to allow their mother's 23 chromosomes to be expressed. Your mother must become alive in you, and you will never find the woman of your dreams until you become the woman of your dreams.
You know what?
You will never become
Let
the
him
man
finish,
of
baby.
your
Let him
dreams.
finish.
You will never become the man of your dreams until you, woman, become the man of your dreams. You have to match the frequency to actually be able to send it out for you to attract it. So you must become it. And you must embody the woman of your dreams. And the woman of your dreams is just your mother. And so therefore you must embody your mother and allow her to be expressed through you as well as your father. You must look like a male and a female. You must look androgynous to allow the divine feminine and masculine to dance within you. And then you will know what God is.
Stop.
Shit.
He didn't put bro,
This
come
has to
on,
be
bro.
scripted. What an idiot.
Come on, my brother. I hope